Jahangirnagar University, established as a residential public university in 1970, has by presently 34 departments and 4 institutes. Along with almost 13,000 students and more than 600 academics devoted to teaching and research. Its sprawling, picturesque campus is situated at a place 30 kilometers away from the capital Dhaka, but it is well linked with a national highway that goes from the capital to different parts of the country. The first Parliament of the independent Bangladesh granted the charter of the university in 1973, under which this institution is being operated. The charter is known as the Jahangirnagar University Act 1973. The insignia of the university bears the national flower, water lily, with 3 petals bordered by strips of a traditional floral design with the name of the university in Bangla, ensconcing in a semicircle-like wreath of flowers, flanked by such institutions as the National Mausoleum, Bangladesh Public Administration Training Center, Bangladesh Livestock Research Institute (BLRI), and the Savar Annex of Bangladesh Atomic Energy Commission. Forms a hub of academic and research pursuits. The natural undulating topography with several water bodies in and around the campus makes it an excellent habitat for the migratory winter birds and an attractive spot for thousands of bird watchers and tourists from home and abroad. The university is an autonomous body managed by an executive council known as the University Syndicate. It is empowered by the Jahangirnagar University Act 1973 to perform both executive and legislative functions of the university. While it is the supreme body for all executive functions, its decisions ultimately need ratification by the University Senate, a body which meets at least once in a year to approve of the annual budget and review academic matters. Once in every 4 years, the Senate also elects a panel of 3 candidates for the appointment of the Vice-Chancellor by the Chancellor of the University, Honorable President of the People's Republic of Bangladesh. The Vice-Chancellor is the executive head of the university. 2 Pro-Vice-Chancellors and 1 Treasurer are also appointed by the Chancellor of the university. However, the university has got various sections or wings of offices for the smooth running of the administration. Through the University Grants Commission of Bangladesh, the government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh provides about 95% money of the total revenue budget and 100% of the development budget of the university. The balance is maintained by the university's own resources. There are current 6 faculties at Jahangirnagar University. Each faculty is headed by its dean, who is selected by the teachers of the faculty. The faculties are Faculty of Arts and Humanities, which includes the departments of English, Bangla, History, Philosophy, Drama and Dramatics, Archaeology, International Relations and Journalism and Media Studies, Faculty of Mathematical and Physical Sciences, which comprises the departments of Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, Statistics, Geological Science, Computer Science and Engineering and Environmental Science. Faculty of Social Sciences, which includes the departments of Economics, Geography and Environment, Urban and Regional Planning, Government and Politics, Anthropology and Public Administration, Faculty of Biological Sciences that includes the departments of Botany, Zoology, Pharmacy, Biochemistry and Molecular Biology, Microbiology, Biotechnology and Genetic Engineering, and Public Health and Informatics. Faculty of Business Studies, which includes the departments of Finance and Banking, Marketing, Accounting and Information Systems, and Management Studies. Faculty of Law, which includes the Department of Law and Justice. Besides, the university has 4 institutes: Institute of Business Administration (IBA), Jahangirnagar University; Institute of Information Technology (IIT), Institute of Remote Sensing (IRS), and Institute of Comparative Literature and Culture, Science Research Center, Technology. The present government of Bangladesh has given a special grant for the research center with a view of facilitating and enhancing research to be carried out by scientists and scholars both from home and abroad. Jahangirnagar University has got 21 residential halls for its students. The university is mandated to provide residential accommodation to each and every student. Each hall has its own administrative system headed by its provost. Each hall of residence is equipped with facilities like playground, rooms for indoor games, dining hall, etc. Moreover, there is the central cafeteria where the students, the teachers and the staff members can have their meals at reasonable prices.